Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to the round number one of today's stream, where I try to improve myself in well, programming, but it looks like in physical sense too, since that just crossed my mind. I'm getting fit on a stream too, apparently, because my personal trainer is in chat. Keeps me busy. Guns. uh, yeah, so as most of you probably already know, I split all of the rounds into 2 intervals. For each I have a timer, so over here the 3 minutes for typing, it used to be 5, I changed it. 35 minutes of developing, going through some tutorial, reading documentation, and so on. And we are currently working on the application. It looks like this. Last time I did the pagination. It looks like shit, but I don't care about the looks currently. We'll sort that out once we've got some actual functionality which is useful to anyone. Yep. Okay, so let's get into it. Next lesson. Which language do you are doing? Erlang? Okay, whatever. Oh, come on. %6 is not bad for the first try in the day, at least for me. So we have a 6 and 43, huh? Cool. Okay, and yeah, I definitely should rewrite this application into like comparing it, like behind I would have I would have basically just not before and after, but it will say how it was like modified, you know, like plus this percent for the changes in the statistics, basically. Yeah. That shouldn't be so difficult, actually. Yep. Okay. So this concludes the typing session, and we will proceed to developing. Oh yeah, and the power mode. We will turn on the power mode. And do I have the 5-minute type? I have it somewhere, right? I have the 5-minute thingy. Okay. What we are doing? I don't know, what am I doing? Oh yeah, so I want to get this field, right? That was actually what I wanted to do. And I kind of went somewhere else. That's okay, it's okay, that's completely okay. So we go to requirements component, and here we have the selected thingy, and we are displaying ingredient name so far. And what did not work was so here if I say ingredient pay or ingredient dot data dot get, and well, it doesn't matter because it will not work. If I run that, you know, I get error because it says get is not a function, you know. And normally how you do it is to use a filter if you want to iterate over a map, right? But it's probably not how to do it. This is like makes basically like stream, right? It iterates over each entry of the map, and then you have that accessible, right? But I don't want to iterate over the entire map, so I will not do this here. And since I cannot call this here, I will probably call some function which will be something like this dot and we will say get get ingredient field or ingredient data entry or data value, right? And here will be ingredient.id. The second parameter will be the column name, right, or the data name. So it will be data, that will be data name, which we will have to change later on, but it's okay. So here we will look into the page. So first we will say this ingredient page dot fine. Okay, so that's, oh, that was content, that is array, find, and you'll say, okay, this is the data and data dot id equals id, and this way we will get the ingredient, right? No, that's not the, yeah, it is. And the time for yeah, for this has run out. What is the structure? Oh fuck, I will not see it in here right now. But I will see it in here. So the content, and this is the thingy, right? So maybe I should pull out the ingredient first and then look into the data. So in the content, find in the content, okay. Content, find date. Yeah, that's the fucking. Outlet, why not? Okay. Oh fuck. No. Ingredient. What it will return? It will. I don't know what it will return yet. We want the entry, right? The map entry, or just the data. Okay, so we say ingredient dot data get data name. Yeah, this will be returning return, and that will be a string, I think, because this returns. Those are strings, yeah, like so. That's your problem. Okay. And the null ascent. How it was. I don't remember how it was. Type script, and that was null ascent, null coalescing. Oh, it's two. Yeah, okay. So it was like this. It's never resigned, use const, sure. Object is possibly undefined. Yeah, good catch. Yeah. Okay, so I will inline this. That was cannot inline initialize variable. Fuck that. Just fucking inline it. Why the fuck it cannot work? Da, 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 da. Yes, here we go. Like this. Now defined. I don't remember how it was. It was like this, or dot, that, no, this dot. Oh yes, it's that, okay. What about this? Should be, yes. Power of TypeScript. So what I did here is, this is, I had forgot how it's called in TypeScript, but basically if you don't get the result, you can get undefined, right? And if you get undefined, you know, like now it's complaining, it will return something else. Or, well, it's like having the checks, you know, like, is it null, is it not? Okay. And here in the and we want, what do we want? Some kind of energy, right? It was this guy. Here we go, and maybe now it will work. Except I'm missing this guy. Let's see how it works or doesn't. Refresh, and we have a problem. A data get is not a function. Fucking kidding me. $128. Okay. Where's the structure? Here. Here's the data. Hold on. What did I do? Content find. Okay, that's not data, that is an ingredient. That's confusing a little bit. My mistake. So this will not solve our problem, but I will clean it up anyways, so we are not confused. Come on. Okay, cool. Now it will, of course, not work again. Because it comes out. I forgot what this exactly do in the TypeScript. Question dot, right? Yep. Here we go. Optional chaining. So it might be undefined or that. So I have got undefined there probably. And I got undefined where? It's not a function on the data. Fuck. Yeah, because it doesn't know it is ingredient. I think. What is the type of ingredient page? Page ingredient. Okay, so I probably want to get the content, because that's defined. What is gray here? Ingredient array. Okay, so we say ingredients. ingredients, ingredient. The fuck? Yeah. What? Ingredients, and this will be this ingredient page dot content. Okay, what's your problem? What's your problem again? Yeah, I think okay, that's good. Now we will find the ingredient, so const ingredient equals ingredients dot find and ingredient dot id equals id. What's your problem? Now it might be ingredient or undefined. Yeah, I know, you like those. Else return, and we will have ingredient dot data dot get data name. And what is your problem? So this will be type of. How was it in TypeScript? God damn it, my time is not running for some reason. Widening, never. Conditional narrowing, I think. This is not good for like finding quickly. I don't even know how it was called. Maybe it was type, script type, no. Oh, link. But it's narrowing works, goddammit. Type of padding, okay. Type of that. So this will be type of, hey. Undefined, then, oh fuck, no. Not this for today. Today I'm trying to fill the other fields in the table, on the paging. Yeah, I have this structure, right? Which looks, oh come on. Here, this is the ingredient, and here's the data map, right? And I want to take some values from it, you know, like using like the map thingy. So that's what I'm doing right now, and we'll see. So I created this function because I cannot call it directly in the template, or at least I did not found the way how to do it. Here I cannot do just ingredient data.get something. I cannot call it that function for some reason. Okay, so I basically calling the function. So this is not needed in here, I think. I get the same thing. And currently in here. Oh, hold on. I see where the problem is. This could be that I don't find it, right? So it will be like that, right? Name expected, identifier expected, missing semicolon, what the fuck? Oh yeah, hold on. Yep, this is the right operator. Okay, it bumps out again. Ingredient data get is not a function. Looks like after the end of this session I have another workout ahead of myself. God fucking damn it. Here we will say console log and type of ingredient data. Here we go. I want to see what it is. It's fucking object. Okay, cool. Doesn't help me. Console table. Doesn't help much. Okay, it's fucked up completely everything. Ingredient data get is not a function. This is an ingredient, right? Ingredient, oh, it could be undefined. Fuck. That's the problem, maybe. Ingredients, find. Not found. Yeah, I should do it differently. I should do it type of ingredient equals change ingredient. Then I'll put it in here, else return ingredient found. Like so, we have some problem in here. God damn it, how do I do this? TypeScript. What? Okay, I guess I'll do the same thing. But maybe I could use, okay. This shouldn't be here though. This should be somewhere else. I will put it in here. Instance of ingredient. Object, any object is ingredient. So then we'll have a look what ID name data. Maybe I can do this creator. Okay. Advanced types, thank you. Okay, I will try this and then I'll have a look again into that. Just ingredient, what the fuck is your problem in here? It's neither or not a certain value, of course. Okay, so return object dot discriminator equals this maybe. Does it work? Kind of. What's your problem? Okay. That's okay. Now, if I change inside this, and it will be instance of ingredient else not found, and see the magic. Give me the money. Doesn't do shit. Huh? Okay, so we have a problem. Just closing correctly plus interface ingredient. The fuck? Am I fucking crazy? Ah, the fuck. Okay, I need to read more about it. God damn it! I just want to do one simple thing, and you have to read all of those because. Fuck. Let's go. Okay, so this is the JavaScript way. Okay, so that makes suddenly sense. So if we have a swim in path, we swim. You cannot. Okay, you cannot use property access with petfly. Okay, then petfly, and we have a problem. Okay, good. My property accessors will need to use type assertion. Fishpad as fish, bird as bird, and fishpad swim. We do that. Else fire plus fire. Okay, cool. True. To perform the check, we know the type of path within each branch. It's a different check than I do. He's checking for, where's that? Basically has the same. Okay, so we do object as Writer is missing in type anonymous class, but required in type gradient. God fucking damn it. Oh, 10 burpees too, huh? Okay. Let's see about that. In 4 minutes I will do them. I see. Now I understand that is, oh fuck. Somewhere here I did, yep. Okay, so discriminator and so no. Gradient. Visual. Yoink. Paste. Maybe if I would read messages. What? Oh, that's the, yeah. Here's the map, then we have, where's the ID? God fucking damn it, this is like so unreadable! This is so bad code, I don't like it. I don't like it at all. So it takes data, okay, fine, ID, name, discriminator, cool. So you have defined the constructor. Now we are calling it with the map, okay. So this goes an ID and name, and here goes the discriminator. This is so ugly. This is so ugly. This is so ugly. Okay. String. What's your problem now? Whoa. Just fucking happened. Okay. We are over the time limit. Quite a long time because I forgot to start the timer. Well, that happens. We're done with the round number 1 and we will proceed to the round number 2.